Hello and welcome to my channel, Your Finger My Ring. And today, well this morning, I got this little order from somebody who works on the market, one of my friends. She just wanted a halfpenny ring. So I said, yeah, no problem. So first of all, we have to punch a hole in it. I'm looking forward to tonight. I'm going to be making the wedding bands for Gargi and her future husband, Kunal. So stay tuned for that. That'll be coming on tonight. Right, 1/2 inch punch. Let's bang a hole in it. Let's go over to Big Bertha. Let's see what she's going to do for us. Right, this is my 20-ton press. That's good. These halfpennies are like made of bronze, so they're not too difficult to make. I'm looking forward to these wedding bands. Right, let's. What am I doing? Wrong side. Stupid boy. Okay. There you go. It's nicely punched. But we just want to clean up them edges. So I'm going to break out Christy burr and clean them up. You don't want any micro cracks in there or splits. Otherwise, that causes the ring to split while you're stretching it and playing with it. We don't want no split rings in this video. Thank you very much. There you go. That's pretty good. So I don't think we have to heat this up. No. There you go. And she said she wants the date on the outside of the ring. 1965. That's her birth date. Put this nice and level. Right, let's go to Big Red. Get our folding comb. Yeah, it's easy. Very soft. Right, let's go over to Spike and stretch it out a bit. I think she said she was a 56. Yeah, 56. So oh, what happened there? That doesn't, oh dear, that don't look too clever. This has come away. Let's have a look. I only cleaned this out the other day. I hope this is broken. I'll have to order another one from the UK. That means I won't be making any rings for a week or two, however long it takes to get out. Let's have a look. Please be fixable. Let's zoom you in, see what's going on. Oh, it looks pretty sad, doesn't it? major yeah, that's major broken. Oh, bloody hell. Looks like a bomb's gone off inside it. Well, yeah, look at that. Metal fatigue. Oh, I mean, I've been using it a lot, but 3 months. Okay, folks, well, that's the end of my videos for a couple of weeks. I'll have to order another one. I'll get it from the UK. It should only take, I don't know, a week or two. So that's me out of the picture for a while. So as soon as I get it, I'll be back online. Damn. Oh, Gargy. What am I going to do about Gargy? You know, wedding bands. I mean, I even told her that I was going to be making them tonight. Sugar. I mean, this has had it. It's actually split away. Wow. Well, I can't MacGyver this together because that just rises up. Yeah, I'm screwed. Gargy, I hope you're not. I'll send you an email. I hope you're not getting married yet. Give me a chance to get this new tool. All right, folks. Sorry about that. Wow, typical. I tell you, as soon as you've got something good to do, something special, I mean, like these wedding bands, this happens. Okay, take it easy, and I'll see you in a week or 10 days or something. Bye-bye. Jesus.